Okay, guys, we're going to take a look at your informative paper. So this is your rough draft. When you click on the assignment in Odysseyware on the link, it's going to take you here. And so you'll see a couple of things. One, you'll see the rubric that I'll be using to score your paper. So the content of your information, and if you click on it, you can read, the specific instructions of what each piece kind of means. You can also see where you can run your originality reports to just ensure that it's all coming up as your own work. And then you'll see the main part of your assignment, which is your paper. So if we open up the paper, we'll see a Google document. So just a reminder, we do actually want to go ahead and log in with Grammarly. It's going to help us with our paper. We're going to just log in with Google. And you can just kind of follow the prompts there. We want to make sure that we are, you can just pick a few things. You're usually going to be informative, neutral. You can click any of those and then pick your primary language. So we are not going to do the level up. We're just going to continue to Grammarly for free. And that'll be just a helpful little thing that you can use. And so we're going to skip this for right now. You can close that. So now you'll see like this thing about it, beta testing. You can turn that on and it'll just give you feedback as you work. And you don't need to take any of the little tours. That'll be really self-explanatory. So we're going to replace those with your first and last name. We're going to replace it with your teacher's name, which is Mrs. Littig for language arts. And then you're either in 7th or 8th grade language arts. And then the date that you're typing your paper. Okay, you can leave this as informative paper or you could change it to the exact topic. And then you're going to start copying and pasting with your introduction. And then we're going to copy and paste your body paragraphs. And I'm just kind of using some dummy text for you. And then you're going to copy and paste your conclusion. These are all coming from the lessons in Odysseyware. And so this is just, fake text, like I said. But what you want to do is you want to make sure once you've copied and pasted, it's probably not looking exactly like it started out. So we're going to press Control A to select it all. And we're going to make sure that we're in Arial. We're going to make sure that we're in 12-point font. There's no bold, there's no underline, there's no italics, anything like that. Okay? The other thing that we're going to do is we're going to hit this with the little lines and the arrows pointing up and down. And that for line spacing that we are on double. And then the last thing that we want to check is that at the beginning of each paragraph, we want to make sure that we have indented. So we press the tab key so that it has indented at the beginning of each paragraph. Now, since I have nonsense text, Grammarly is not really going to be able to do very much. But you would be able to open Grammarly at this point and it would give you some feedback on your grammar and mechanics to help you write the best possible paper. If you need any help, be sure to schedule tutoring.